Introducing the 2024 Nissan Titan. You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, keyless start, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, front tow hooks, alarm. Add a new level of luxury to every excursion in this handsome Titan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.